Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha. I am from India and guys I am learning English language. So guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. So guys, today is the day 22 of 30 days English speaking challenge. So guys, as you know, like my main purpose is to start this challenge. Like I wanna be a consistent and I want to practice every day because I want to improve my communication skills. So that is why I do English practice every day, and also like share with you my practice and like my experience how I practice English every day to start my home. So guys, like every day we can practice, we can speak this language because consistency is important. Consistency is really helpful. So guys, we have to do practice every day, we have to speak English every day. Even if you have a 10 minutes, so you just try to speak English on that 10 minutes, because time is very precious, and also like every person is busy in their life. So every person like they don't have too much time for English. So that is why I'm saying, like if you are free for 10 minutes, so you can utilize your 10 minutes, you can practice in the 10 minutes, you can speak this language. So guys, that's how also I also practice English every day, I also speak this language because I also work in a school, and also I'm completing my masters right now. So that's why like I don't have too much time to speaking practice and like make a video also. But I have to manage all the things. So guys, when I have like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, so I always try to speak English and like make English videos, and I always try to English practice because like guys, I'm very passionate about to learn this language. I wanted to become a very fluent and confident speaker. So that is why I'm working on my communication skill right now, and I always focus on practice and speaking English, because practice is everything, and we can achieve everything through practice. So guys, you have to, if you are also thinking to learn English language, so you have to start speaking English every day, you have to speak English every day. Like now, like if you are also beginner and you want to start to learn this language, so you can start from beginning. Like you can start uh, listening English first, because listening is a first step. You can start first listening some like basic videos, like daily uses videos, daily sentences videos, and English cartoons, English basic stories. You can start to listen, and also you always try to read the subtitle of the video. So okay, that's how I also started my English speaking journey. And if you are also eager to learn English language, so you can start from now, because you know have many people, they always afraid of making mistake, and they also understand English, they also they can also write English, understand English, but when they think to speak, so they always stuck in the middle of speaking, because of they don't practice every day, they don't speak English every day. So guys, practice is everything. Like if we will build the habit of speaking English every day, so we can achieve everything. We can like build the habit of speaking in front of public, also in front of anyone also. So that is why guys, I'm saying, like you just first build the habit to speak anyone. So guys, that's how I also started my English speaking journey, and now I'm speaking in front of you because I also uh, like practice every day, and try to focus every time practice. So that is why I'm able to speak English language today. So guys, if you are also want to learn this language, also want to speak this language confidently, so you can start from today. So that's all I wanted to say with you in today's video. If you like this video, so don't forget the like button. And guys, now I'm ending this video because I had only 5 to 6 minutes, so that's why I thought I should make a video, and now I'm ending this video. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Keep learning, keep supporting to me. Take care.